It all began for me with accountability. Most people think it's about doing what you say you're going to do, keeping commitments. Everyone says that. Here's the problem. What happens if you're committing to things that aren't going to achieve your desired outcome? What happens when you overcommit? What happens when we are not in attunement to not only our outcomes for business, but our outcomes in our personal life and our outcomes for our family? So to me, it's not about keeping commitments nearly as much as it is about taking action consistent with our desired outcomes and learning along the way. Because you can take action consistent with your desired outcomes and still fail, but there's something for you to learn in that. And that's okay. We don't have to get there in one day. But the idea is, how often are we not considering what the outcome is we're going through, and we make accountability about task? Outcomes include, what's our outcome for how we're going to make decisions in a streamlined way? What's our outcome for how we're going to communicate effectively with each other? You see, it includes execution. You know, the most key competency for accountability has nothing to do with perfection. It actually has to do with proactive recovery. Every sports team, every music group, we practice breakdown and how we're going to respond in breakdown, so that becomes as automatic as the plays themselves. When I played baseball, I have to tell you, I spent literally half our practices on breakdown. What happens when the ball gets hit through the infield? How do we shift positions? What happens when someone gets caught between two bases? Like, we're just constantly practicing that so that it's not a crisis, it's just the next play.